Arduino promotes the use of a low-level programming language inspired by C++. This language is powerful, and support for thousands of applications is provided by hundreds of libraries. You get to install the libraries you need when you configure the Arduino IDE. This saves on space and memory-constrained boards and provides the flexibility needed by programmers of all experience levels and interests. But many Arduino-compatible boards, especially from Adafruit Industries in New York City, can now be configured to run CircuitPython. CircuitPython implements a subset of the standard Python library so that anyone can use this popular programming language for mechatronics projects and/or data acquisition projects that connect to sensors of all kinds. The programs uploaded to Adafruit's Circuit Playground Express live on the circuit board and are portable to any system running the open-source CircuitPython language. This language is perfect for beginner programmers struggling to make sense of the complex syntax and rigid structure of C++. CircuitPython and Arduino are truly a programmer's best friends.